Did you know that Bangkok has some of the best theaters? Hi guys, it's me Jeffrey and Sydney. So today welcome to our New Year's vlog challenge. That's 1 week that we are going to vlog every single day. Today we are here at Promenade and Fashion Island. Here at Promenade there's lots of restaurants you can check out. Like I said earlier, one experience that you really should try when you are here at Bangkok, Thailand are the theaters. Theaters here are another level, so if you have a chance, maybe check them out, because going to the movies here is not expensive and the experience is awesome. Where are we, Sydney?
Shahbuddin.
Yeah, so this is Shahbuddin Restaurant. It's famous for its pork and rice, like katsudon, Japanese style.
Free refill for the rice, miso soup, cabbage, and green tea.
So all these are refilled, like the cabbages and rice.
Black sesame seed.
Yeah, those are sesame seeds. Good. Need some spice. We're stuffed. I remember the last time I went to Japan, and people there, like, when they finish a meal, they really finish it, like the soup, the broth, every single thing, and that's like a lot. Promenade is more like food restaurants, and if we just walk over to Fashion Island, there's a big huge shopping center where you can find everything. As usual, I'll put the GPS coordinate down below. From Promenade, we walked over to Fashion Island. Now we walked over to Robinson. So here in Robinson is lots of, like you see, everything. Oh yeah, what is it?
It's a blue unicorn.
You think about the stuff here?
Amazing.
So cute! Oh no, cuteness attack! Gourmet market. So here we have some fresh produce, and we're just grabbing some stuff, cereal and some fish. Yeah, you like this one, right? I like the spicy ones. Well, after a tiring shopping day,
I got a new phone.
okay, we got a couple of stuff for Christmas. It's time to maybe check the movies out, because the theater here, like I said, is excellent. So if you get a chance to come to Bangkok, don't forget to check out the movie theaters. The quality here is awesome. And the movie theater here is not that expensive. It's about 200 baht plus or minus, especially if you get it on like a Wednesday. There's like discounts. And different phone services like True, DTAC, they always have promotion. But Wednesday there's always like a discount. So that's one thing. Alright guys, we are back. So theaters here have mainly three kinds. When you go in, you have three choices. You can do 4DX, that's where you wear 3D goggles and the seat moves, have wind and water spraying on you, and that's an experience that you might want to try because it's not very expensive here. The second kind is the normal theater here, and that's already very good. So that's one thing to keep in mind. You can always check out the movies here. It's a very good experience. And the third kind are the VIP seats. So this can range maybe from 700 baht per seat, all the way up to the most is I see 4,000 baht per pair. What do you get in these VIP seats? First, you get your very own waiting area. The second thing is you have your own personal helper. They come in and serve you with coffee and some macaroons or maybe brownie. You have your very own pillows and blanket, and you can always press that button for someone to come and help you out with whatever you want. Of course, there's like popcorn and sodas and stuff. So maybe give that a try. Like I said, the price varies from different theaters, so check those out. Those are the different kinds of theaters here in Thailand. Maybe check them out. And there's also sort of promotions, like promotion with telephone companies, SIM cards. If you have like student card, that's another on top promotion. And like I said, Wednesdays there's always a special. Alright guys, hope you enjoy it. We are trying out our holiday vlog. We're doing one video a day. If you like it, don't forget to press that like and subscribe button. Here with Travel Bites, we do traveling and food here in Thailand every single week. Actually, day.
Holiday!
Yes. If you like the content, don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. Gotta go. See you guys. Happy holidays. สวัสดีครับ บ๊ายบาย Bye.